Yes, my dear friend, in this lesson we will learn about modules which is necessary for our project. First of all, let's start with PySerial module. It's a module created for port control with Python. We will benefit from this module when receiving or transmitting data from our Arduino board with Python. And by the way, in order to install the PySerial module on your computer, you must open a terminal which is command line from the IDE you are using and run the following codes. The code is pip install PySerial. And we should pay attention to some notes. So let's start with our note 1. If you use any IDE, the directory of your project folder or the Python file you created should not contain Turkish characters. So here is the true one. So here is equal to our C folder in TRRESS folder and also in projects folder. And also this is the true one. And do not use like this. For example, if we use the letter sh, our Python codes will not run on our IDE. That's why we need to pay attention to note 1. And now let's move to second note. And the second note is about our Python file name. Python file should not contain Turkish characters which are sh, ç, soft G, Ü, and Ö. Proper use like this, which is project1.py. And also here is the misuse, and also don't use like this because when you run your code, it will not run properly. Alright, so now let's continue. Let's learn about our second module. Our second module is Pygame module. So let's explain it. We will use the Pygame module to control our Arduino or to display the data on the Arduino with beautiful interfaces. The Pygame module is the library for the Python programming language. It is generally used for game development and interface creation purposes. We will create the interface part of our projects with the Pygame module. And by the way, in order to install the Pygame module on your computer, you must open a terminal which is command line from the IDE you are using and run the following code. The code is pip install pygame. And also I will explain to you how to download these modules that you use in the next lessons to the IDE. We are just getting information now. Alright my dear friends, in this lesson we learned about Pygame module and PySerial module. So now let's move on to our other lessons.